Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, out of one speaker only, of course. And welcome to the 2150th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. And please subscribe to these videos at youtube.com/futures analysts. Traders, before we get started for what should happen on Tuesday, August 18th, 2020, please know that trading futures or options or anything even near those things are extremely risky. You know, ETFs, you name it, everything's risky these days. You could lose more than you have in your trading accounts if you don't know what you're doing. You must place protective stops and place them first. Know this. If you don't, join me at livewithoscar.com in my free trading room, and I'll help you out and teach you. First thing we do is put our stops in. So, traders, I know we've got this flat top, and flat tops equal market drops, but I have to tell you, Omni has turned bullish. We're already long this evening. I think we literally bought the lows, and we're up at 8 points already or something of that nature. The Omni gave us a signal right away at 6 p.m. this afternoon. But it looks to me like the flat top, yes, it should work because they almost always do, like I showed you back here, and several others. But we've got such a bigger formation taking place that people have their eyes on. I think that's what the prize will be. And that is, of course, this double top. We all know that there's a double top up here from a long time ago before COVID. I'm going to bring it into focus. It is this green line right here. That's the double top. And when we get there, when we see a double top, we sell a double top. But believe it or not, this is a massive day trade away from the double top possibly working. So we're long. We'll get out somewhere near the double top. If we sell for it, we sell for it. If it goes higher, we'll let it happen. My guess would be that buy stops would be taken out above this, and then the double top will work the next day. But, you know, that's guessing, and we don't guess. We'll let that pan out on its own, and we'll trade it one day at a time. So I wanted to give you some justification why I'm actually taking this long signal in front of what looks to be a flat top and the possibility of a double top. Because we're day traders, by the time we get to that double top, we'll have made so much money we're out of the trade, and our stop will be in case we are incorrect. The other thing about this flat top is it's not just a flat top. It's starting to turn into some sort of a, look at it, an ascending wedge, which usually breaks out to the upside, right? It's not just a flat top anymore. So that probably will take us up to the focus of Wall Street, which is this double top at the green line. So let's stay long at least till we get up there, and then we'll see about selling the double top. You need to be in my live trading room tomorrow if you want to get short this double top with us when the time comes. And it's something else I found a little interesting. Last day or two, we're starting to get a lot of movement in our grains. In fact, grains, metals, commodities, almost anything that would give us that whiff of inflation that we discussed a couple of weeks ago has started to rally. And, you know, grains are starting to look like this. Soybeans look like this. Wheat. The markets are starting to jump a little. So let's keep our eyes on that as well. Join me in my free live trading room at livewithoscar.com. There are no credit cards, no anything, no gimmicks, no nonsense. Just go to livewithoscar.com in your browser, create a username and password, and then join me in Omni chat. Once you get to the Omni, you will see something that looks like this, where I've got my Omni telling you what I want to do for the day. And then on this side, flash updates come out to tell you to get in and out of the trade as quickly as you can. And that stuff will happen live in my trading room as well as on this trading site. But where I want you to end up is click this link and go to Omni Chat right there. Click that link, go to Omni Chat, follow these quick steps, and log yourself into my Omni trading room. And just join me. It's free. There's no nonsense. Put your password and username in here and click here and get ready to go. I hope to see all of you at livewithoscar.com in my trading room. If we get a chance to sell that double top, we will, and we'll let things pan out one day at a time. Traders, keep your emotions out of trading. Make sure you do that at all times. Say this to yourselves in order to keep those emotions at bay in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evenings. And by now, you must know what that is. Stops are in. solutions are out. Rock and roll traders, I will see you all in my trading room at livewithoscar.com.